Hey everyone, I'm back with another haul video of things that I have purchased. I'm going to have to put this one on both channels. So, maybe, I don't know. I am so happy right now. Anyway, this is mixed media that I purchased from Crafty by Teresa. And I got the Dream Stick Warm Heart Jane Davenport, but I didn't realize I bought an empty box, Teresa. I buy an empty box? Why? Why did I buy an empty box? I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure I can store something in it. And this is Dream Stick Ocean Eyes by Jane Davenport that I bought from her really cheap. So I'm thinking maybe one of these might have gone, I don't know. You know, I just wanted them, so I bought it. And then I got the Koi Way watercolors, which I have a palette of these already, and I really enjoy them. So this was a larger palette, so I bought some extras to do some backgrounds with. Now this, oh wait a minute, and I bought these for mixed media. I had never tried these before, and it's iZinks Diamond, and it's supposed to be like a glittery paint. I got these to do mixed media with, so I just wanted to try them because I had never tried them before. So I got that, and then Teresa donated for bingo. Tell you what, I'm just gonna put this one on Kathy's channel. I was going to hold off showing these because I need to add some stuff to it to make it like a kit. But there's angels, reindeer, snowflakes, and I think there was a fourth thing in here, maybe not. Oh shucks, let's just open one and see. But there's like 4 or 5 of each item. And I'm going to be open about it and honest about it. I kept 2 of each item out for the boys to make Christmas decorations with. Because she said, do what you want to with them. And I did. I kept 2 of each. But you can see there is a lot of each. This is the reindeer. There is a lot of each one in each kit. And I don't know yet what I'll add to it. Maybe some wiggly eyes, maybe some glitters. I don't know. It depends on what my Dollar Tree has that I can pick up. Then you have all these different snowflakes and different colors and angels. So yeah, there were 3 different items, but you get a lot of each one. So you can make a really pretty Christmas garland for your decorations at Christmas with these. And these are going in this week's bingo because, as you know, starting in October the 3rd, I think is the first bingo, everything's wrapped and it's new or handcrafted for bingo. So everybody's getting Christmas presents in October and November and the first 2 weeks of December. And it's up to them whether they want to, you know, use them, open them then, or save them and put them under their Christmas tree. And I ordered a lot of stuff off of Amazon and bought some stuff at Dollar Tree. So I am making up some little Halloween grab bags that will go with this week's too. It's going to have like little ink pens, washi tapes, oh I don't know, just a lot of different things that are Halloween. So you might want to come to this week's bingo because you're getting Halloween and Christmas all in one package. Next, I can't wait to show you this, guys. I was watching Tina and Teresa this morning on live, and all of a sudden Tina gets so excited. She says, Kathy, stop. Go right now. Go to your mailbox. Go to your mailbox. You have a package. You have a package. I said, well, I got Teresa's package yesterday. She said, no, go, go, go. So I'm still in my pajamas, so I got my husband to go out. Thank you, Mr. Pete. And I have a package from Tina, and I already know what it is. I can feel it. And she said there's a bingo prize in here, too. Okay, so open at this end. So I'm going to open it at this end. And pray I don't tear up anything. Very carefully. I am so excited. I think I know what this is. Sure feels like it. So, oh, cute. Maybe I can add some of these in with the things Teresa said. Oh, look at these Christmas things. These are so cute. Bingo prize, bingo prize. Cute. So let's operate here on this package and see if we can get it open without tearing up anything. Please don't hit it. I am so excited. The boys are going to love this if it's what I think it is. See it sitting out. It says cafe. Oh, teammate, you wrapped it way too well. Phew. Okay, let's do it this way. Oh, wow, look at that. How cool is that? It's a Halloween tag. And little bags. Oh, that's his pocket too. Happy Halloween, love Tina, turn over. Hope you like the mummy baby. It's yours. Yes, it is a mummy baby. Guys, you wait, you wait. Oh, if y'all don't follow Tina's Messy Crafty Life, please go over and subscribe to her. She is so talented. And her and Crafty by Teresa do a lot of mixed media. And I just love their work. I love it. I watch it all the time. Look at here. I got baby legs. I got baby body and arms. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. She's a little soft-sided 18-inch doll. And I have the perfect chair. I guess Silly Man, her in. Her name is Little Tina. Isn't she just the cutest thing? I just love her. I love her, love her, love her. I might have to fight the boys to leave her alone. Looks like she settled some in packing, but I can open that eye back up some. Or maybe I'll just leave it like it is because it's so stinking cute like that. Oh, I love her, Tina. Thank you so very much. She is stinking adorable. What a great idea. Maybe I'll make little Tina a Santa suit to put on her for Christmas and just keep her dressed up all year long. I love her. She will be a part of my Halloween decorations for the rest of my life. And when I no longer have life, she will be a part of the boys' Halloween decorations. Because I know they're going to love her too. Alright guys, happy Halloween everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.